Hi friends, welcome back. I'm at HomeGoods and I also want to show you guys some of the things that I found over at TJ Maxx. But starting with this beautiful nutcracker that they have right at the entrance. This is so beautiful. It's $400, but you guys, this was bigger than me and I'm 5'4". So look how tall this is, and the colors are just a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love this Grinch cookie canister here at HomeGoods. I think the face is just so much cuter than the one that is at Hobby Lobby, and I think it's a great price for $25. You guys, I thought this was so cute. It's a 3-pack of mugs and it includes the hat on top. I just think it's so cute because it's the Mickey Mouse mugs, but they're $17. I just think these are adorable with the little scarf. It's so cute. And you guys, here's another mug with those toppers. I just love all of the mugs this year that have the toppers. I just feel that they look so much cuter. And here's that teapot that I was telling you guys about for $12.99. And you guys, I had never seen these before, but it's a little set of the teapot. And I don't know if that's like a little honey holder, but they're $29.99. I just thought the set was so cute. Look at the little baby, so cute. I also wanted to show you guys this lumbar pillow. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so beautiful. It's $24.99. I almost picked this up because I thought it would look really nice on my bed, but I left it. It's really a great size though. It's really long. I also wanted to show you guys the tree skirts that they have here. They had a lot of nice ones, a lot of really thick ones. And they range from about $25. I really thought this one was nice. They have this knitted one as well. They had a lot of colors to choose from. They had like the whites, the reds. They had like different characters as well. Look at this one with the nutcracker, some white ones on the bottom, the tree one. And you guys, here's the little Mickey Mouse mug. This is so cute. This is $12.99. And over at TJ Maxx, they had this set of 3 trees for $14.99. I thought about buying them so much. I've seen them a couple of times, but I haven't purchased them. They also had this little gingerbread house for $12.99. It lights up. You guys, look how beautiful this nutcracker is. Oh my gosh. I thought about purchasing it because I thought it was a great price, and it's not too big. It's kind of like a perfect size. I could still put it up in storage, but I left it. It was only $100, and I thought that was such a great price because of the size. And they also had this ornament right here. I thought this was really nice as well. This was $80. I think this is so nice to put like in your entrance. Like if you have an entryway, you can decorate it all beautiful. And you guys, I thought this little dolly was so cute. Look how beautiful she is for like a little baby girl. She's so cute. They also had this gingerbread house for $59.99. I believe we've seen this one before with the cupcake on the top. That's such a great price. It's a really good size too. They also had this radio for $40. It kind of reminds me of the one that we saw at the hospital gift shop. It's very similar. If it's not the same, I can't remember. And you guys, look how beautiful this little deer is. It's so cute. I love the little outfit for $19.99. And then this beautiful, I don't know what this is, you guys, a reindeer, a moose, I don't know. I thought it was so cute with the little dress though. And this is $14.99. You guys, I have a video coming up on Monday, and on that video I'm going to show you guys what I decorated. I actually bought a ski lift and I think it's beautiful, you guys. I hope you guys come back to watch that on Monday. And you guys, look at all of the gnomes. You know what I was thinking? That why can't they have such a big collection of gingerbread just sitting around the store waiting for me to come and look at them? Because they have so many gnomes. Look at everywhere I went, you guys, gnomes, gnomes, gnomes. It's like, can you guys bring gingerbread? Gingerbread would have been sold out, but nope, they bring the gnomes out and nobody buys them. They had a variety of them here at the store, like this one, $24.99. I think some of them are actually pretty cute, but I don't know, you guys, I'm not a big fan of them. I thought this one was the cutest one with the little outfit. It's so cute for $19.99. They had a lot of them. Look at all of the ones they had here. And you guys, look at this little couple in the back, so cute, $19.99. I just love their little outfits. And here's a gnome shelf sitter, you guys. Look at the shoes. The shoes sold. I think this is cute. And this is $14.99. It's kind of a little pricey. They also had this one for $14.99. This one's really cute. I love the little face and the hair and the little outfit. Oh my gosh, just the little feet and shoes are so cute on these. So adorable. They also had a set of these Santa mugs. I love the little mug toppers, you guys. Doesn't that just complete the little mug? I think it makes it look so much nicer for $10. They also had this jam and jelly set for $20. And what the elf. This is so cute. For $7.99. It does come with the little cookie cutter too. That's pretty neat. This one that says holiday fuel. And here's another salt and pepper for $10. And you guys, here we go with the gnome. This kind of reminds me of a little mushroom house or something like that for $7. And they also had this one with the Santa hat on top. And this one's $14.99. And you guys, look at this chubby little Santa holding his belly. He's so cute. This one's $12.99. They also have this one that says cookie time. All of these have the little cookie cutter, which is really nice. You guys, here's another Grinch cookie canister. I really like the cookie canister with the face, but this one's really nice too. This one's $40. Look at this beautiful Santa. I love that he's holding the tray. He's just so beautiful. He has a cute little face. It is kind of expensive. It's $600, but you guys, it's beautiful. They also had this really cute nutcracker. He was like a really short one for $80. I still like the pastel one. It's my favorite. That's gonna be all for this video, my friends. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, besties.